So,
For today's delightful one.
radio is there. DRM.
This is ready. I have to search DRM.
Yeah. Yes. You close it at when you press this thing, you close it in the DRM, so we can see. Okay, no problem.
The 1st of January 2016, 13 p.m. Sunny, 31.1 in Dungi IM. Please pay attention to driving safely.
You close it. Yeah. It is going. Long. Yeah. It is going. Yeah. 9-1. Yeah. Just back. 981. Yeah.
Okay, we have service 1 and service 2 here.
Yeah, right. Okay, you can raise the audio, infotainment system audio. Please
Audio
increase
is
fully.
raised.
Increase fully. The transmission is very close. Please show the frequency to me, to us. Frequency.
Just 1 minute, sir.
Frequency. Please, keep your mobile. Yeah.
News. They're playing news.
What is there? You close it. 981. Bottom there is a something written, displayed.
Jammu 1 varied.
Okay. Okay. You go now. You go to service 2.
The signals are not very clear.
Yeah. It will come. It will very strong. The AI All India Radio, Akashvani Jammu is very powerful station. There is a 981 heart logo is there. Heart icon. You touch it. Yeah. So you save. Now you saved the frequency. It will get any time. Automatically. Yeah. Sometimes the infotainment system also tuning to get more signal. So that's why this is the first time, na? So it will take
Yes.
some time to set right the entire thing in the inside.
Okay. No problem, sir.
DDG sir, are you watching?
Yes, I am watching. What is happening that we are now presenting, we are transmitting in simulcast mode. In that, DRM power is less, much less than that of full DRM. When it will operate in full DRM, signal will be much higher. Full DRM.
Yeah. Now testing is some the low signal will come. Simulcast is very low. Just
Yes, DRM power is very
very low, but it is very good signal in the outside some areas.
Yeah.
Okay. Anything more, sir? DDG sir? Anything more? You are very cooperative, and the
that's why I myself took this task to to have a video call with you, so that you can train
Yeah.
the car owners, and likewise the popularity of DRM will increase.
Shafiq, please switch on your front camera. Front
Okay,
camera.
sir.
Front camera.
Sir.
Yeah. Now you are comfortable?
Yes, yes.
No problem for 2 minutes.
No problem.
Now, please, sir, ask anything of reaction, his reaction.
If you need anything else, then I can send my engineer to your car showroom, and he will actually train you how it works. Because some of our staff is having a DRM receiver in their cars, and they are using it, and quality is far better. Because there's some location problem is maybe there. Because nowadays we are operating in simulcast mode. In simulcast mode, what happens? The DRM power is very much less than that of full DRM. In full DRM, it becomes 100 kilowatt.
Sir,
Simulcast, which is
Compulsory to.
sir, what is the distance from a showroom to your transmitter?
where is your showroom?
Sir, it is nearby Way Mall.
वे मॉल वे मॉल अच्छा हमारा जो ट्रांसमीटर वो बंतलाव में है
अच्छा बंतलाव में बंतलाव में आपको 20 किलोमीटर का डिफरेंस होगा क्लोज टू 22
हाँ मे बी विद इन 20 होगा बंतलाव में जो सीआरपीएफ का ग्रुप सेंटर है उसके पास में है
अच्छा
तो you better know because I don't I'm not aware of location because I seen Way Mall but the location the topography I'm not aware of that.
Okay, now we are nearby Way Mall, just 100 or 120 meters away, just on the highway.
The distance is not much, but when it will operate in full DRM.
Okay.
Or your I think our antenna is quite high, 115 meters. तो लाइन ऑफ साइट का कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है तो सिग्नल वहां तक जाएगा
अच्छा
बट आवर इज लेस so that is why some teething troubles are there in this system but when will operate it will operate in full DRM.
Okay. Please ask his reaction. Shafiq Saab.
What is your reaction?
No,
You can tell your customers that there is a service, DRM service that is inbuilt in your receiver, and you may get entertainment and infotainment services from that.
both services from one frequency.
4 services in one frequency.
Yes, now there are 2 services.
Whatever
you are getting, there are 2 services.
Yes.
But we are giving 3 services. News 24/7 is also there. I think the day-wise the program changed.
Okay.
So 2 we are giving, but it can go up to 4. Maximum 4 service we can give. Having 2 music programs and 2 data channel. Data channel means the in digital like SOS feeds.
Okay.
SOS feed जो होती है that is they are the streaming data signals that can flash on your board like warning signal, disaster signal, traffic signal. So it in future there is a planning.
Okay.
4 data services can be included in this spectrum.
Okay.
What is your reaction, Shafiq? Tell me.
It's good to know about new services like DRM, and you can have 4 services on one frequency. 2 is also there. 2 is also to come. 2 more to come. So it is quite new and exciting to know about.
You must tell the customers And
That's what I was about to say, that I'll definitely tell my customers to tune in to DRM.
and I am requesting you, old customers also having this DRM. Please find out and please connect to me one interesting car owner, so we can interact with them with DDG. DDG also can join. So that is also our request to you. You take your own time. Any one or two customers we want to interact.
Okay.
Old customers,
No problem.
old car owners. No, old means 1 month, 2 months, 3 months recently. You connect me, and I will connect to the DDG at a particular time. Their time, the car owners, free time. So we also thinking to contact with them through you.
Okay.
Through you. Very nice, sir. I am calling from Vishakhapatnam, not in not in the Jammu. See,
Jammu, yeah.
DDGs are encouraging me. See, we have to do this type of activity. So that's why I am conducting. So,
Okay.
anything more, sir? DDG, sir.
Mr. Shafiq, you can come to our office. We sit in Panchtirthi. Panchtirthi, Jammu mein we have our office. There is we have our studio there. You can visit, and I can add some more people in future, and they will also interact with you, and they can give you more information about DRM if you need, and some technical tuning method you want to know, because the DRM receivers which are in cars, they are very simple to operate.
Yes.
I think you can do it. As you have operated.
Very simple, very
there
simple.
are frequency bands. Yes. There are frequency bands. You can go to FM band, DRM band, AM band. So likewise, there are bands, and they can be very easily operated. So they are very user friendly. Those yes. But the menu driven things are there, and like mobile and all that, you can operate this, and your customers, our customers are also well aware of all these mobiles and all that. So likewise, they can operate.
Yes. Obviously.
Fuel level is low. Please fuel your car.
So do something to popularize this service, DRM service, so that it may become popular among the people, and when they will get good quality of music and audio signals, they will definitely go for this, because there is now we are changing our way of terrestrial transmission. So terrestrial mein we are earlier we were having some AM conventional. So AM conventional is near about to close, but in same frequency band we are having DRM in same band. In same medium band, we are having DRM equivalent to digital quality. We are digital and stereo quality signal. So likewise, you can popularize this.
I'll definitely try my best, sir.
Okay.
Tell my customers.
Thank you.
Best of luck. And
Thank you.
Raoji is very enthusiastic, and he is doing well. And after retirement, he is doing more things. So thanks to him also.
With your great blessings, sir, you are a great encouragement from you. You are a great DDG. So I first of all thanks to you, and Shafiq also very busy. He is very busy. I know very well their duties. So thank you very much, sir. The Shafiq sir. I must thanks to Fahim also. Fahim. Please tell him my thanks to you, both the DDG sir and my thanks to Fatim.
I'll definitely will.
Okay.
Okay, Mr. Rao, you please share my number to Shafiq, and he can call me if he needs so.
Okay, sir. Okay. I will share. I will share, and I will share to you also. His number.
Okay.
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 Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Nice time.
All right.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.